So this is a Nakashima style coffee table. I researched him a little bit. This is what I came up with, although he would probably laugh at my power tools. But this is a piece of walnut that a friend of mine had. He had it for a number of years and he air dried it and it was flat. So I decided to use it for something. I didn't know what. Small table is what I came up with. This is really not good for anything except for supporting maybe a chessboard or a book you're reading. And the great thing about it being air dried is that the heartwood doesn't bleed into the wormwood. Definite line there, and I like that. As I said, I use power tools. Someday I will get to the hand tools, but I just wanted to finish this project before it gets too bad outside and I can't build anymore outside. This is a project I wanted to do. And the only thing I have to say about it is a question of safety. I did make the half laps with a miter gauge. I probably should have used a panel cutter, but I couldn't find it. I was being lazy, so I went ahead and just supported a board. You couldn't see it in the video. Support a board right behind the miter gauge that support this centerpiece to make the half laps. That's probably not the safest way to do things. I just want to tell that to everybody. Get a panel cutter. But anyway, it came out okay, and I didn't lose my fingers, but just don't do it that way. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.